Hi guys, I'm Pritesh Arora. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, giving a very brief introduction about myself. I'm doing law currently from Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad. I am in my 4th semester, and today I'm making this video as starting a new series in which we will be talking about some case laws, some judgments, orders of honorable court. Why? Because I feel law is very essential part of our society. It uplifts the society in a good way. So it's very essential not only for law students but also for general public to understand how these cases will uplift the society, how these cases will bring a change in society. So today we are talking of a case of Bombay High Court, Nagpur bench, in which Bombay High Court mentioned that husband to pay maintenance under section 125 of CRPC to estranged wife even if he has made attempt to cohabited with her. ये केस बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट का है. उन्होंने ये जजमेंट दिया है. एस्ट्रेंज वाइफ, सबसे पहले देखिए एस्ट्रेंज क्या होता है. एस्ट्रेंज्ड मीन हॉस्टाइल टुवर्ड्स वन एंड बीइंग सेपरेटेड बट मोर लाइक बीइंग ऑन नॉन स्पीकिंग टर्म्स. सिंगल जज बेंच थी. ऑनरेबल जस्टिस भारती डांगरे ने ये प्ली डिसमिस करी है. इसमें मैन ने चैलेंज किया था ऑर्डर ऑफ फैमिली कोर्ट. ऑर्डर क्या था कि 18,000 रुपीज़ पर मंथ मेंटेनेंस उसको अपनी वाइफ को देना होगा. यहाँ पे बेंच ने कंसिडर किया है सेक्शन 125 सब सेक्शन 4 ऑफ CRPC. ये सेक्शन क्या बोलता है? नो वाइफ शेल बी एंटाइटल टू रिसीव अलाउंस फ्रॉम हर हस्बैंड अंडर 3 सिचुएशन. ठीक है, अंडर दिस सेक्शन. इफ पहला, इफ द वाइफ इज लिविंग अंडर अडल्ट्री. ठीक है. सेकेंड, इफ विदाउट एनी सफिशिएंट रीजन शी रिफ्यूज टू लिव विद हर हस्बैंड. तीसरी सिचुएशन, इफ दे आर लिविंग सेपरेटली बाय म्यूचुअल कंसेंट. अगर ये तीनों सिचुएशन में से कोई भी सिचुएशन होती है तो नो वाइफ शेल बी एंटाइटल टू रिसीव एन अलाउंस फ्रॉम हर हस्बैंड. ठीक है. यह केस है श्री मुदस्सर वर्सेस शेरिम एंड अदर्स. मुदस्सर इसमें हस्बैंड है, शेरिम इसमें वाइफ है. फैक्ट्स ऑफ द केस के बारे में बात की जाए तो फैक्ट्स, ऑन 1st August 2022 wife and her 2 children went to court and applied maintenance under section 125 of CRPC by claiming maintenance of rupees 39,000 per month to maintain herself and 2 other children. The learned judge of the family court has awarded maintenance of rupees 8,000 to the non-applicant, that is wife, and 5,000 each to each child. So total was 18,000 maintenance. And one more thing, he was also cast the responsibility to fund entire education expense of non-applicant number 2 and 3, that are both the children. The applicant, which was husband in this case, was not satisfied with the order of maintenance, and the council submitted that the maintenance to the wife is without any justification. He would advance his submission to the effect that he made every attempt to cohabitate with his wife. Learned counsel for the applicant therefore seek recourse to subsection 4 of section 125 of CRPC that without any sufficient reason the wife has refused to live with him, and therefore he is not liable to pay any sort of maintenance. He has no liability to pay maintenance. Now what court held in this case? It reveals that non-applicant, which is wife, has referred several instances of mental and physical cruelty, torture faced by her when she was in cohabitation with the husband, and she has narrated the instance specifically by submitting that she was fed up with the approach of the husband, which led her to move to her parental house, where she had to bear physical and mental cruelty which badly affected her health. She was a victim of harassment at the hand of husband, which forced her to leave husband's house and move to her parental house. None of the ingredient was established by the applicant husband, as merely saying that he was always ready and willingly to cohabitate is not at all a sufficient ground to absolve himself from the liability to pay maintenance by projecting that without any sufficient reason wife has left his company. The application for maintenance has several grounds which justify the non-applicant number 1, number 2 and number 3 to stay away from the applicant, and therefore court is not at all convinced with the argument of learned counsel of the applicant that the subsection 4 of section 125 CRPC is applicable in the present situation in the present case. So the court gave a judgment that since the husband has not disputed his liability towards amount of maintenance as well as education expenses, it is legal responsibility to maintain a wife who is unable to maintain herself. In these circumstances, court do not find any legal lacuna in the judgment of family court So court directed the man to the applicant to pay maintenance of rupees 18,000 per month to his wife. So in this case we can see there was a situation, दो मेल एक फीमेल है, ठीक है, हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ है. So उन्होंने मेंटेनेंस के लिए अप्लाई किया क्योंकि उसके साथ हैरेसमेंट हो रहा था एंड हस्बैंड ने सीधा सीधा ये बात बोली कि मैं इसके साथ विलिंगली एंड रेडी हूँ इसके साथ कोविड करने के लिए, अपनी मैरिज लाइफ को कंटिन्यू करने के लिए, पर शी इज़ लीविंग मी विदाउट एनी सफिशिएंट रीज़न. उसने सबसेक्शन 4 ऑफ 125 सेक्शन का सेकेंड क्लॉज को यूज़ किया, सेकेंड सिचुएशन को यूज़ की कि उसने ऐसे विदाउट एनी सफिशिएंट रीज़न उसने मुझे छोड़ा है. सो आई विल नॉट बी लाइबल टू पे एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ मेंटेनेंस. कोर्ट ने बोला ऐसे कोई सर्कमस्टेंसेस नहीं, आपने कुछ मतलब वो प्रूव नहीं कर पाया था कि ये वैलिड है. सो कोर्ट ने उसकी प्ली कैंसिल कर दी कि आपको मेंटेनेंस देना ही होगा 18,000 रुपीज़ टू मेंटेन हर सेल्फ एंड अदर 2 चिल्ड्रन, और उसके साथ साथ तुम्हें एजुकेशन का एक्सपेंस भी उठाना पड़ेगा. सो दैट वॉज इन दिस केस एंड I will make more such videos like this in coming future. So stay tuned. Signing off, Pritesh Arora.